In today's video, I'm going to teach you by using the increase-decrease indent buttons. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to shift your paragraph to the right or bring it back to the left, perfect for quick formatting, cleaner layouts, and making key points stand out without changing styles or margins. Start by selecting what you want to move. Highlight the paragraph you want to indent. If you're adjusting more than one, drag your cursor to include all the paragraphs at once. If you only need to move the paragraph your cursor is in, placing the cursor anywhere inside that paragraph works too. This method indents the entire paragraph block, not just the first line, so it's great for quotes, callouts, or nested points. Next, head to the Home tab. You'll find it on the main ribbon at the top of your document window. In the Home tab, look for the paragraph group. This is where alignment, bullet lists, and indent controls live. If your window is narrow, the icons may collapse. Expanding the window or clicking the group launcher can help you see everything clearly. Click. Increase Indent, the button with the right pointing arrow. Each click moves the selected paragraph farther to the right by one standard indent level. You can click once for a subtle shift, twice for a more pronounced offset, or more if you're creating nested levels in a structured document. Keep an eye on line wrapping. If your text looks cramped, reduce the indent or adjust the page width so it stays readable. If you go too far or change your mind, use decrease indent to move it back to the left. Each click brings the paragraph one level closer to the margin. Continue until your text aligns exactly where you want it. If you've applied multiple increases, you'll need multiple decreases to return to the original position. A few quick tips as you work. If the result doesn't look right, confirm the paragraph is fully highlighted and that you're clicking the indent buttons in the paragraph group on the Home tab. Remember, these buttons are best for quick, simple, and indentation. They're ideal when you don't need special first-line settings or custom measurements, just a clean nudge right or left for better structure. That's all there is to it. Highlight your paragraph, go to the Home tab, click Increase Indent to shift right, and Decrease Indent to bring it back. Simple, fast, and effective for everyday formatting.